This is Bani Gala. Built on Islamabad's prime property and set on an impressive landscape, this is Prime Minister Imran Khan's house. This is Jati Umrah. A massive complex situated on Riban Road is housed to the former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. And this massive housing complex, spread over 25 canal in Bahriya town, Lahore, is former President Asif Ali Zardari's beloved house. These are the estates of some of the richest rulers of an otherwise poor Pakistan. These very people that work tirelessly to put together these prime pieces of real estate spend their nights on the streets without a roof or bed. These very people who give up their day and night so that the powerful have a roof over their head actually spend the remainder of their lives worrying about putting food on the table for their kids and getting electricity and gas supply to survive. And so, the elites have never had to face the common man's struggle, a life filled with luxury and latest amenities. And let's have a look at the powerful states and their not so well-off rulers. This is Europe's most powerful country, Germany's Chancellor Angela Merkel's house. She resides in two-bedroom apartments situated on the 4th floor of the building. Dr. Angela Merkel has a PhD in quantum chemistry, while her husband, Joachim Sawyer, also has a PhD in chemistry and has taught at the Humboldt University of Berlin. A rather down-to-earth Dr. Joachim takes cheap domestic flights for his visits across different countries instead of a private jet. A person who received the title of the world's most powerful woman for 9 years prepares the morning breakfast for herself and her husband. Another developed country, New Zealand's Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern, purchased a mere 643 square foot house, that too built in the 1920s. Despite her busy schedule, she still prepares her meals by herself. And while we're at it, let's also take a look at the house of Uruguay's former president, Jose Mayoca, who stayed in this house during his entire tenure as president of Uruguay, while driving around in his Volkswagen. A man who spent much of his public life among his people was jailed for